Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to optimize, how to speed up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's open the phone manager right here. And here the device is scanning itself, and if you can optimize something, let's just tap optimize. But let's go next and let's boost your device even more. Let's choose clean up right here. The device is scanning. And here you can use the advanced storage management if you would like to. Let me do it, and let me clean the memory and cache by using that key. Excellent. You just clean up your memory. Let's go back. It's also good to perform the virus scan if you would like to optimize your device, so let me do it. Let me tap quick scan. My device is secure, so everything went well. Let's just tap finish, and in that way you just boost your system, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.